with our last section, chapter 7, which started on page number 67 in our Stage 1 learning program. This is for the bank account. We must just bear in mind that there is a section here where you'll be able to actually put a manage bank feeds. It means that automatically all the bank will be actually enter into the bank. But what we're going to do is here we're going to do a manually version of this. So first of all, we have to set up a bank, and this is on page number 68. Now 68, you're going to say add a bank or credit card. The name of a bank is actually the name which you're given to your bank account. It's not the FNB, it's not the PAPSA. Of course, you could have maybe 10 FNB accounts, but they are used in different ways. So what we must do here is, this is a name which you give to your bank account. So I'm going to give it a name. It's my learner 000 account. There's no categories. No, it's not cash. Please, this is an EFT account. Cash, hardly ever known. Only it is for petty cash. The bank's name which I've got here would be, the bank is ABC. ABC Bank. Sorry, my capital letters. ABC Bank. All right. Now we got the bank account number, and it's been, any number would be fine, which you put in here. The branch name would be Bracken City. Okay. Now we go to the balance of this one, and it's going to be, you'll see it is 239. It's on today's date. And that's it. You're going to save. We're not going to put another one in, so it's only this one. Next, what you do is you'll be able to actually go and put some transactions in your bank account. So you go to bank, transaction, banking. All right, then you must actually call up which bank are you going to work. That's why you give them a name. You give your bank a name. If you want to do your automatic feeds, here is the place to click and to set it up. We're going to have all the new transactions. Right, now the bank is very easy to set up. You get a date, which we're going to just run on today's date. A payee, this is normally the amount the thing which you wrote on a check in the olden days. The difference is the description of what we've paid. The type is whether it's a account, a customer, a supplier, a VAT, or a transfer. Here you put in what is which account do you need to work with. Here's an additional field for you to put in any information you like. Here you manipulate the VAT, whether it's VATable or not. You've got spend and you're going to receive. So on page number 68, our first one which we're going to do here is, I know the date is different, but we just use today's date. The first one which we're going to do is we have received money from Mandla. So we put in here from where we put in Mandla. And we put in your payment, we put in payment receive. Now this is not an account because Mandla is a customer. So you go into customer. Now it opens and shows you all the customers you've got. There's Mandla. The reference number here could be for maybe August account. Okay, no VAT because you've already claimed the VAT when we do the transaction, and we put in the receive here, and the amount we receive from is 2245.80. Okay. Going to the next transaction is where we buy something from Pick n Pay. We buy groceries from Pick n Pay, so we just put in Pick n Pay in here. We put in staff. Right, and we go, it's account, we go to down here and we put into staff welfare. Staff welfare. Here you could put in it's for September, or this one maybe is for November 2015. Now we ask you, and since there is no VAT, you can't change VAT on staff welfare, you actually manipulate this to a no VAT. You put the amount in and you get it for 2,100. The next one transaction we're going to have is cash. Now the cash tells you that it's for salary and wages. So you put in here, you put in your cash, all right? You put in your wages, the amount, you must put this to salary and wages. You see at the back, I actually say to you what it is, salary and wages. This you could put in maybe if it's for October 2015. There is no VAT charge on wages, and the amount here is 1,000. This could be something like a casual wager. The next one is where we go and we buy something from McDonald's. So we put in the McDonald's. This is for entertainment. We put in entertainment. Now the account, we go into, and you see at the back I showed you for entertainment, you just put the E and it brings up to all the things with entertainment. Okay. It goes to entertainment. Okay. And because there is no VAT on entertainment, we put in no VAT. The next one what we do is here, we go and we put in the amount, is 250 Rand. The next one what we'll do is we've got something which we're paying Neville. So we put in the Neville. We put in your paid. We put in paid. And this would be, and this is for a supplier. We're paying a supplier. You click supplier, you go down and you find the supplier. We're paying Neville Papers, and we go down here and we put in the payment. What we're doing here is 84,645.00. Now the next one what we're going to do is, now we're paying paper, Peter's paper. And here we're going to put in paper. Alright, and this is for our printing. We put in printing. And now we're going to its account and we're going to put printing and stationery. And now we're allowed to claim the VAT on this one. And it's 2,002 Rand. Okay, now we've got all our thing in. Now this is where you could save. This means that you will save and you could work on this later on. You could actually just mark few of them by clicking there, you mark and you received only that one. Maybe you're not sure about one and you want to ask somebody, you leave it open. Okay, but if you're happy with everybody, you mark and save. Now you'll immediately see that your account here shows that the bank account at the moment is 151,597, which is exactly the same what is on my page. So this is now how actually to enter a bank. Now if you've done something wrong and the bank is incorrect, this is where you actually fix your bank. You actually go down here, you have got the new transactions, you go and receive transactions. You open the necessary time period. And say for instance you've made a mistake with Peter's here, with this paper printing here, and it should have only been 2,000. Then you got a chance to actually fix this here. Once you've done this, you say just save the changes. Okay. So you go into review transactions, you review them and you fix them, and now you'll see that the bank has been changed. Now this is our last session. Like I said, this is only my training session, which I do here from my side. I normally do this for my customers, which I will want to help. If you need any help here, please phone the help desk.